Monty the Magnificent Moose. English stories to support your English learning. Let's start. Monty the Magnificent Moose lived in a misty northern forest. He was tall, gentle, and slightly clumsy when he walked. Every morning he searched for the perfect willow branch. Monty loved learning new things about his world. One chilly morning, Monty stepped into the foggy forest. The air was cool and quiet around him. He carefully walked over soft moss and fallen leaves. His long legs moved slowly but steadily. Monty spotted a tall tree with wide branches. He remembered that moose loved to eat willow leaves. He stretched his long neck upward to reach them, but the branch was just out of reach. He tried again with more effort and determination. His large antlers brushed against the leaves. Monty felt proud of his strong body. He finally pulled down a small branch. After eating, Monty wandered deeper into the forest. He noticed the ground was wet and muddy. His hooves sank slightly into the soft earth. This made his steps slow but steady. Monty saw a calm lake shining in the distance. He walked toward it with curiosity. Moose are excellent swimmers, and Monty loved water. He stepped into the lake without hesitation. The cool water reached up to his chest. Monty swam smoothly and confidently. His powerful legs pushed him forward. He felt peaceful in the quiet water. Under the water, Monty searched for plants. Moose often eat underwater vegetation. He dipped his head beneath the surface. Then he lifted it with a mouthful of leaves. Monty climbed out of the lake slowly. Water dripped from his thick fur. He shook himself, spraying tiny drops everywhere. The sunlight made them sparkle. He walked through a dense group of trees. The forest felt darker and cooler here. Monty listened to the sounds around him. He heard birds singing softly. Suddenly, Monty tripped over a fallen log. He stumbled but quickly stood up again. He laughed at himself in a quiet way. Even magnificent moose can be clumsy. Monty continued his journey with confidence. He remembered to watch where he stepped. The forest was full of surprises. Each step taught him something new. He found a narrow path beneath the trees. It twisted and turned through the forest. Monty followed it carefully. He enjoyed the adventure. If you are enjoying this story thus far, please click the like button and remember to subscribe to our channel. This way you will be notified of our next story. And remember to watch to the end so that you can see all the vocabulary used in this story and the explanation. The path led to a sunny clearing. Bright flowers grew in colorful patches. Monty stopped to admire their beauty. He felt calm and happy. He noticed butterflies flying gracefully nearby. Their wings moved gently in the air. Monty watched them with wonder. He learned new words like delicate and graceful. Monty heard a rustling sound in the bushes. He looked carefully and saw a small rabbit. The rabbit hopped quickly away. Monty smiled at the lively forest. As the day passed, Monty grew a little tired. He searched for a comfortable place to rest. He found a soft bed of grass. It felt warm and inviting. Monty lay down and rested quietly. He watched the clouds drift slowly above. The sky looked peaceful and wide. He felt relaxed and safe. After resting, Monty stood up again. He was ready for more exploring. He walked toward a group of tall trees. Their branches swayed gently. He saw more willow branches hanging low. These were perfect for eating. Monty carefully pulled them down. He enjoyed their fresh taste. Monty remembered that moose usually live alone. They are calm and independent animals. He liked his quiet life in the forest. It made him feel free. As evening approached, the forest grew darker. The air became cooler and still. Monty walked slowly back toward the lake. He knew it was time to rest again. The sky turned orange and pink at sunset. Monty watched the beautiful colors. He felt peaceful and thoughtful. The forest was his home. Monty stood near the water's edge. He saw his reflection in the lake. His antlers looked large and strong. He felt proud of who he was. A gentle breeze moved through the trees. The leaves rustled softly in response. Monty listened to the quiet sounds. They made him feel calm. He walked to his favorite resting place. The grass there was soft and dry. Monty lowered himself softly. He was careful not to trip again. The stars began to appear in the sky. They twinkled above the dark forest. Monty looked up with curiosity. He wondered about the night. The moon rose slowly over the trees. Its light covered the forest in silver. Monty felt safe in the gentle glow. The night was peaceful. Monty closed his eyes and rested deeply. He dreamed about his adventures. He remembered the lake and the willow branches. He felt happy and content. In the morning, Monty woke up refreshed. The forest was bright and full of life. Birds sang loudly in the trees. It was a new day to explore. He stretched his long legs carefully. He wanted to avoid falling again. Monty smiled at his clumsy moments. They made his journey fun. He walked back towards the willow trees. He was determined to find the perfect branch. Monty felt confident and excited. Today would be a great day. He finally found a perfect branch. It was green, fresh, and easy to reach. Monty pulled it down with ease. He felt proud of his success. Monty realized he had learned many things. He had explored, discovered, and practiced new words. His adventures made him strong and wiser. He loved learning in the forest. And so Monty the Magnificent Moose continued his journey. Each day brought new adventures and discoveries. He stayed curious, calm, and joyful. The forest was full of endless wonders. Thank you for reading this story with us. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way you may be reminded of our next story, as well as assist learners from all over the world to improve their English language. Remember to stay connected to learn more about the vocabulary used in this story. We look forward to seeing you in our next